This mini tutorial shows how to extract a subject from its original background in Photoshop. Click on Quick Selection tool and then in Select Subject. Photoshop is going to make the selection, and although it is difficult to make it perfect, it will help you a lot. Sometimes it is perfect and other times you will have to work a little more. Once the selection is made, click on Select Mask. With Refine Edge Brush tool selected, paint over the areas where you want to refine the selection. Select Output to New Layer with Layer Mask, this way you will be able to perfect the clipping easily. To rectify the cut you can do the following. Make active the layer in which the original image is located and decrease the opacity. In this way you can see the areas that may have been lost, and you can recover them by painting with white on the layer mask. If you need to remove something, paint it black. To make sure the clipping is well done, you can create a new layer below it and fill it with a color. You can choose the color you prefer, the important thing is that you see the subject well. Finally, apply layer mask and save as PNG.